Alright, let's take a look at our graph of soccer ball kicking distance. You're going to go to Desmos.com, and there's a link to it on your Clever board, or you can just type into the URL Desmos.com. You're going to come to this window. We'll take a look at some of the other cool stuff they have some other time. But for this assignment, we're going to start graphing. And a couple of things. First of all, I'd like you to sign in to create an account so that you can save your work. Or you have an account so you can save your work. Sign in and just sign in with Google. Your name should appear up there. Before we get started, I'd like you to change your mode of this utility from radians to degrees, since we're going to be measuring our angles in degrees. Some other time I'll explain what radians are. But now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the formula you were asked to put in. Y equals, up top we have 2 times 28.2 squared times the sine of the angle. The angle that we kick it is going to be our input, is going to be our x, times the cosine of the angle. And then we're going to hit the /, divide that by the pull of gravity, and then we only want to take a look at soccer balls that were kicked between 0, greater than 0 degrees, and less than or equal to 90 degrees. Once we have that, we should get a graph that we will spend some time in class interpreting. But I'd like you to get at least this far. Go ahead and call it something. Soccer ball distance based on angle. Save it, and then you should have it available to yourself when you come to class, in case I ask you to pull up the graph. So if you can get this done, that would be great. We'll talk about what each point on here means. We'll take a look at generating a table of this data, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks.